And myself Nazreen Akhtar. Welcome to my study channel Naz Studies. Today my topic is on chemical bond. So student, before going on chemical bond, I will discuss you about the matter, element and atom. So what is matter? Matter क्या है हमारा? Matter is the combination of element है, ठीक है. और ये क्या है? It can be exist in solid, liquid, gas और plasma form. Okay. Then what about element? Element क्या है? The element are the substance that cannot be separated into simpler substance. और ये हमारा 118 एलिमेंट होते हैं in the nature, out of which 83 are natural है और जो रेस्ट और प्रोड्यूस होता है they are by nuclear process. हमारे बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम में जो एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं मेनली दे आर 25 to 26 एलिमेंट, जैसे ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, पोटासियम, सल्फर एंड मैग्नीशियम, जिंक, ट्रेसेस एलिमेंट, सो मेनी. लेकिन मेन हमारा जो बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम में मेन प्रेजेंट है, द मेन एलिमेंट्स आर कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फॉस्फोरस, सल्फर, हाइड्रोजन. ओके, हम इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द केमिकल बॉन्ड. तो केमिकल बॉन्ड क्या है? वी ऑल नो कि एवरी लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग दे आर मेड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. किससे बने हैं? ये मॉलिक्यूल्स से बने हैं. ओके, एंड ये मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या है? दे आर मेड ऑफ एटम. यही एटम, दिस एटम का रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड रीअरेंजमेंट, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन to form stable configuration. क्या करते हैं? हमारा बॉन्ड क्यों फॉर्म होता है? व्हाई द बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म? व्हेन द एटम्स when they are redistributed or rearrangement, okay, by to form a stable configurations led to the formation of bond. Bond formation होता है, बॉन्ड इसलिए फॉर्म होते हैं ताकि वो स्टेबल कन्फिगरेशन में आ सके. दैट्स व्हाई बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म. ओके, सो केमिकल बॉन्ड जो हमारे होते हैं दे आर व्हाट? दे आर रीअरेंजमेंट एंड रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द एटम्स. होते हैं, क्यों करते हैं? अपने को स्टेबल कन्फिगरेशन में लाने के लिए करते हैं. नाउ अब हम पढ़ेंगे केमिकल बॉन्ड में व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड. टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड. तो हमारे टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड में टाइप्स में ओके वी कैन डिवाइड इट इनटू प्राइमरी बॉन्ड एंड सेकेंडरी बॉन्ड. Secondary bond. Primary bond को further we will divide into as a ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, polar covalent bond. polar covalent bond. हम प्राइमरी बॉन्ड को इस तरह से डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है. और सेकेंडरी बॉन्ड इज व्हाट? सेकेंडरी बॉन्ड इज अबाउट हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. यू कैन फर्दर डिवाइड इनटू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, देन हाइड्रोफोबिक बॉन्ड, हाइड्रोफोबिक डाइसल्फाइड, disulfide bond and so on. So now we will discuss about the ionic bond. Now, in primary bond, we will see the different types of bond. So, what is primary bond? It is formed by one atom to other, forming a small molecules. तो primary bond में हम देखेंगे, it is formed by one atom with another atom, and with it leads with formation of small molecules. So see here, first we will go through ionic bond. तो हमारा ionic bond is what? It is also called as electrovalent bond. Okay. Then the bond is formed by two oppositely charged ions. Two oppositely charged ions आएगा, then the bond is formed. And generally in the ionic bond, they are present in an inorganic salt, which have definite crystalline structure. Based and this जो ionic bond formation है, it is based on Cose's theory 1960, where we see the bonding is between electropositive ions and electronegative ions. तो electropositive ions क्या करता है? Electropositive ions it lose electron, and electronegative ions it accept the electron to attain a stable and inert configuration. So for example, take as a sodium chloride. Okay, in a sodium chloride we will see that sodium, the outermost electron present in the sodium is 1. Okay, and chlorine. So what happened? It has 7 outermost side, and sodium has 1 electron in the outermost shell. So what happened when they are this sodium? It do what? It donate the electron. Okay, it donate its electron. So it will, after donating electron, the sodium become positive. Okay, as it give the electron, and it has low ionization potential. And chlorine, it accept the electron and become negative. Okay, so after accepting the electron it become negative, and sodium after donating the electron become positive, and it form sodium chloride. And chlorine is what? It's a high ionization potential. It has a potential of accepting the electron, and in this way sodium chloride is formed. So here the electropositive it lose the electron, and the electronegative atom, what happen? It accept the electron to attain stable and inert configuration. The bond is produced due to force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. So the ionic bond जो bond बनता है, it is due to the force of attraction and between the two oppositely charged ions, positively charged ion, negatively charged ion, and the bond is formed after the donating electron and the one atom donating electron, another is accepting the electron. And another example is also here sodium oxide, where the sodium lose electron and then okay, 2 sodium is there, and this one is oxygen. It produce sodium oxide Na2. Its outermost shell 6, and sodium has 1. So what happened? Both donate the electron. So the electron donating is not only with the one. It can be more than 1 electron can also be donated, and it form what? Sodium oxide. So this is about the. Now come to covalent bond. It is also one type of primary bond. We have studied that in the ionic bond there is what? Transfer or donation of electron take place. But in the covalent bond, in this case, what happened? There is no transfer of electron take place, and they do not lose electron easily. Covalent bond में neither the electron is lose easily or no transfer of electron take place. Where take place? It is present in non-metal having high ionization potential. Where we see the electrostatic attraction, the attraction between the atoms is by कैसे होता है? By sharing of electron. Here the electron are shared. Here there is no transfer of electron take place. Here sharing of electron take place. Then the bond becomes stable. Bond becomes stable होने के लिए क्या करता है? It hold the adjacent atom together. तो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड में शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, जिसमें क्या होता है आपका शेयरिंग की वजह से इट मेक द बॉन्ड मोर स्टेबल। एंड ये इसका जो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड का जो एनर्जी लेवल है इट इज़ अराउंड 50 to 100 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल। इसका बॉन्ड एनर्जी जो है ये भी अच्छा खासा है, 50 to 100 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल है। और जैसे हम हाइड्रोजन की बात कर सकते हैं, हाइड्रोजन क्या करता है, हाइड्रोजन के आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। तो ये दोनों हाइड्रोजन ने क्या किया, दे शेयर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। इसका one from this and it become hydrogen. Okay, so 1 electron share from this hydrogen, 1 is share from here, and they mutually share with each other, forming hydrogen bond. Same way in case of also CH4 methane, we are saying that carbon share their 4 carbon जो है अपना 4 electron, it share its electron in the outermost shell with hydrogen. See hydrogen on the 4 sides. So 1 electron from hydrogen and 4 electron from carbon, they are shared to form what? To form methane. So the number of electron atom that take place in the covalent bond formation उसे हम बोलते हैं कोवेलेंसी। ठीक है, तो कोवेलेंसी क्या होता है, जो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर होता है, तुम्हारा आउटर मोस्ट शेल का इलेक्ट्रॉन जो शेयर होता है, इसमें देखें हम तो हाइड्रोजन का कोवेलेंसी कितना होगा, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर होता है। सो 1, कार्बन का 4 होता है, ऑक्सीजन का 2 होता है एंड नाइट्रोजन का 3 होता है। एंड वन मोर थिंग यू विल स्टडी इन द कोवलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन इज दैट मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ जो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड होता है इट इज कम एज कम्पेयर टू द आयोनिक बॉन्ड, कम होता है, इट इज़ लो एज कम्पेयर टू द आयोनिक बॉन्ड का ज़्यादा होता है मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, एंड जो कोवलेंट बॉन्ड होता है इसका कम होता है एज कम्पेयर टू द आयोनिक बॉन्ड। सो now come to the polar covalent bond. So what is polar covalent bond? It is also one of the primary bond. Here what we see, where you find it is a transition state between ionic and covalent bond. Covalent and ionic जो in between है that come under transition state, means neither the covalent nor the ionic, in between the state. So in what happen in polar covalent bond, here neither there is a sharing of electron take place, no complete transfer of electron take place. Here the charge is partially asymmetrical, having both positive and negative charges. Here the molecules that possesses the polar compound is called as polar covalent bond. It has high melting and boiling point. And what's the reason of high melting and boiling point? Because of the dipole attraction. So the example I will take here as a water molecule. So in water molecule what we see, this one is hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, this is partially positive both one and it is negative. The hydrogen atom, it has a tendency to attract towards the negativity of oxygen atom. In here we find what, so there is attraction between hydrogen and oxygen, where the hydrogen having positive charge are attracted towards the nucleus of oxygen. So this is about the polar covalent bond. Now come to we start with coordinate covalent bond. So what is coordinate covalent bond? Where we will find the unequal sharing of electron. In a covalent bond what we say, there is a इक्वल शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब दोनों साइड से एटम का इक्वल शेयरिंग हो रहा था। लेकिन इन केस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स व्हिच आर शेयर आर अनइक्वली एंड इट इज फ्रॉम ओनली वन साइड। ओके, इट इज ओनली फ्रॉम वन साइड, एक एटम शेयर कर रहा है और दूसरा बस उसी से लेते हुए अपने को मीन्स एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन कर रहा है। एंड इन दिस व्हाट वी विल सी, it is the 2 electrons are involved in the formation of bond and it is belong to the same kind of atom. Unequal sharing of electron I told now, and here the shifting of electron is take place towards one side. So what happened? So other side developed a partial positive charge. Mainly this coordinate covalent bond, it is a found in complex compound. and that's like ammonium boron trifluoride complex, and it is intimately the coordinate covalent bond. We will find they are mainly indicated by arrow marks, and the molecule of such bond are electrically asymmetrical. They are asymmetrical, possessing a partial charge. So see here, example of ammonium boron trifluoride complex. What we see here, where you see in case of nitrogen ammonia, we are seeing the two unequal electrons. Okay, this is called as a lone pair. Lone pair means it is not involved any electron sharing. So, and this one and this ammonia then react with boron fluoride. So it form what? Ammonium boron trifluoride complex. So what here the two electrons of nitrogens, they form a complex with boron fluoride to form ammonium boron trifluoride complex. Another example will also take place in our biological system chlorophyll. In a chlorophyll molecule, we will see the chemistry of chlorophyll is that what? The magnesium is present at the center, and they are coordinately covalent linked with the nitrogen atom. In vitamin B12 also, the cobalt is linked to the nitrogen atom coordinately, and this is about the coordinate covalent bond. This session we have completed about the primary bond. Next session we will study about the secondary bond. Till then, bye.